G'day, I'm Nick from Recipearce. Yeah, I founded Blackboard in 2011. Moving to the Gold Coast, I literally just couldn't find a venue that that was sort of that cool casual cafe but doing really high quality coffee. And that just sort of naturally turned into wanting to do my own venue. In a new season of life, basically, where I guess my number one job at the moment is just being a dad. I've always wanted to be a really present dad, and for me, with the season of life that was in, it meant for me sort of moving on from Blackboard as the founder. And yeah, we started an Instagram account for recipes. The flow of the week is I try to do a couple of recipes a week and keep it really creative, and yeah, it allows us to create the food that we love in our home and other people to recreate it in their home. Yeah, usually start in the morning with something active, coming home, making coffee and brekkie, taking the kids off to daycare and trying to make that as fun as possible, and then yeah, doing something creative around food. Sometimes it can be difficult to enjoy the product that you know a lot about, and I think for me, particularly since not being as involved with the industry, it's allowed me to not be so like critical of coffee and fall in love with it sort of all over again. I still love the ritual of making pour over, and that to me is sort of, if I really want to kind of go back to my roots about why I love coffee, pour over and is something I still really love, and particularly when I go camping and fishing and hunting and the things that I love doing. I've really fallen back in love with making espresso, and I love drinking double shot flat white in the morning. So maintaining good relationships for me is like what makes things enjoyable. What I love about Blackboard, even since I moved on, is that it's really maintained that culture. Yeah, it's like good coffee, good people is at the core, but it's not just a slogan. It's like everyone actually lives it, and that to me is like what it's all about. So.